Welcome to my construction vehicle video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss more fun and exciting videos. Let's get started. Woo! Hi everyone! Let's start with the white mystery bag. Do you know what vehicle is inside? I'm so curious. Let's find out together. Wow, that's awesome! It's an excavator with a hydraulic breaker for breaking rocks. The blue hydraulic breaker is so powerful. Next up is the orange mystery bag. Are you curious about which vehicle is hiding inside? I think it's an excavator. That's right! It's an excavator! The orange bucket looks so cool and beautiful! Now it's time for the yellow mystery bag. I think I'm gonna guess it right again. I think it's a forklift. What do you think it is? Oops, I guessed wrong. It's actually a road roller, one of my favorite construction vehicles. Wherever the road is rough. Now it's time for the blue mystery bag. More and more amazing vehicles are being revealed. Did you like the road roller we just found? Wow! It's a bulldozer! Have you ever seen a real bulldozer in person? Now it's time for the green mystery bag. I'm sure this one is a vehicle that lifts heavy cargo. Do you know what it is yet? I guessed it right. It's a forklift. Forklifts are used to lift and move heavy cargo. Without forklifts, it would be much harder to load goods onto big trucks. Finally, it's time for the pink mystery bag. I'm really curious about our last vehicle. What do you think it is? Wow, awesome! It's another vehicle I see all the time, a wheel loader. It can scoop up sand and load it into big trucks really fast. Bye everyone! Thanks for watching! watching. If there's a vehicle you'd like to see next, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment below. I'll make a video about your favorite vehicle. See you next time. Bye-bye.